Today I'm going to show you how to make the best all natural, all organic seed starting mix that money can't buy. Hi, I'm Christina with Forever Food Forest, a channel where I explore ways of growing food without the use of herbicides, pesticides, or commercial fertilizers, and instead I rely on permaculture gardening and other natural farming techniques to grow food that's good for the garden and good for the planet. A good seed starting mix can help your plants go from this to this. I know it's not the same plant, but stay with me here. So a lot of seed starting mixes on the market are composed of peat moss or coco coir if they're trying to be environmentally friendly, and some version of vermiculite or perlite, some kind of coarse material. And then whatever the garden variety choice is as a source of fertilizer. I am not going to use any of that. The ingredients we're going to use are going to be all natural. I've been searching for this particular recipe online and no one has shared it. So I'm going to show you how to make your very own seed starting mix that costs $0. And it's also going to be the best seed starting mix you'll ever make, because in the end of this video I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison using seed starting mix from the store and this homemade, all natural, locally sourced version. Let's get started. The first ingredient in the seed starting mix is composted wood chips. If you don't have a pile of wood chips composting in your backyard, this is your sign to get one. Now I'm using a sifter to separate the big pieces from the small ones, because the key to a good seed starting mix is a really fine consistency. The second ingredient in this mix is leaf mold. Leaf mold is just leaves that have been sitting in a pile for a really long time. Leaf mold plays a really important role in the seed starting mix because it helps retain moisture and adds drainage. I love leaf mold. Leaf mold is like the easiest thing to make. Don't throw away those leaves. Make leaf mold. The last ingredient in this mix is kitchen compost. Kitchen compost acts as a slow release fertilizer, giving those newly hatched seedlings a little boost of energy and nutrition to give them a really nice head start. Now I'm going to combine equal parts of each ingredient. And if you're worried about weed seeds or seeds from your compost sprouting in your seed starting mix, one way to avoid that is by pouring boiling hot water to sterilize your mix. Now it's time for the last step, and this is an optional step, but adding this one ingredient is going to increase your germination rates exponentially. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about LABs, lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria helps your plants grow faster. It helps break down and decompose organic matter in your soil and your seedling starting mix. And it's absolutely awesome. And I have a video on how to make it linked somewhere in the description or in the video here. And now it's time for the moment of truth. Can you guess which seedlings were grown in the store-bought mix and which ones were grown in the stuff we just made? I mean, it's pretty clear to see because of the perlite in the store-bought mix, but you can also look at the quality of the seedlings. Obviously, the stuff that is homemade is much better, and the seedlings are much greener. They're a little bit smaller, but they're much healthier looking. And I also started some leeks. We can look at the quality of the leeks here. The germination rates were exponentially better. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was informative. If you have any tips on seed starting mixes, make sure to drop them in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed and you want to learn more about natural farming and organic gardening, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, start those seeds.